Gay Creations. Thanks for watching the third video we're making for our plate design series. This of course is leading up to our dessert plate contest. We're looking forward to your submissions whenever you send those in, so thanks for working on those. If you like the video series, please click like and consider subscribing to our video channel. Anyway, last week we did geometrics and we had some diamond shapes and some circles going around a plate, and it just turned out really nice. And so this week we're doing geometrics too, but they're going to be a bit more complex, where you combine different shapes to make something new. And these are shapes up here that all of us can draw. We can all draw rectangles and squares and circles and all those kinds of things. And so, like I said, you know, in any plate, any design that's complex is made of all those shapes. And so, you know, you put them together and come up with something totally original. So we're going to work on that a little bit. For instance, if you want to draw, you know, a rectangle, you could just use that. But if you don't want it to be a bit more complex, then that would just add some more style to it. We got a rectangle. What if we put just kind of an S shape in the middle of it? And it just gives it some movement, and it's lovely. And if you make one side of it, you know, filled in, and that would be nice if if this shape was around a plate to make a border or something like that. You know, and again with a rectangle. You know, maybe instead of doing that S shape, you could do triangles in it. I think this would be kind of a very clean, modern sort of a look, and maybe you color in the background of that. And then maybe there's a circle in the middle of that. I don't know, you just play with it. Not every design that you do is going to be fabulous, but you can, it's just a good work page that you can fill these up. The design that I want to do today has triangles. It starts with a triangle. And so, got a triangle going on. And I'm going to also pick like a teardrop shape and put some of those inside. So, and it's going to look kind of like a flower. So I'll put the center of the flower there at the bottom. You got a teardrop there. And one there. And so this turns out to be kind of like half of a daisy, sort of a flat thing. And for this, I think it'd make it better if it wasn't quite a triangle, but it's, you know, it kind of makes it an arch if you arc these lines a bit. It'll look better once we get it refined. And also I think it'd be good if we just were coloring this background. And it'll make the design, it just gives it a different look. And so that's always a thing you can do, is you color in the background or not. And even though it looks like it looks like two very different designs, even though it's essentially the same, but the colors are switched around. So this is quite nice, that going all the way around a plate. And that may be challenging for you to draw if you want to do, like turn in that kind of work for us to do. But you can kind of sort of sketch that in. But like I said last week, if you've drawn a dozen of those and you find your favorite, you know, point out your favorite, and we'll make sure and repeat that one all the way around the plate. So here's some samples that I've done of that. This is one that we've put, the triangle shape is on the outside going around, and then on the inside going out. So that's fun, and you can see that the inside ring is shifted a bit so that the points go between the two triangles on the other circle. It's harder to say than I thought it would be. These, on the other hand, this is in a black, these, the points come together. And the cool thing about that is it makes a cool diamond shape, which, you know, I wasn't really expecting, but it makes a cool diamond shape. So anyway, we hope that you'll enjoy making that. And like I said, we look forward to getting your submissions, and we'll pick our favorite to do some dessert plates for you. And that'll be a fun prize. So again, thanks for watching, and remember to click like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.